Yes, napakani kumuhotso files mwesitsana bache ni musubscribing ate bahale mwenayo naberenge mbashesa netsire hulo mana ni huhupana nende hunyo huhola hoshitwela henyowe hulo mana nena chirawo singe mboka ifuchiri seburangisiyo nabange ngupana aringa wimihira ambi no mutsungo ba wihaya ambi no mutsungo muambe humaru huno mukweza humaru umulomo tsondekeleli chirya sengesa me yakuyemo amwenulye hulashine ndi kubolera shino ulobanga batsungu bano bakusirwa siyembuke inabi kukumoyanisa pasani uli nzi family. We have families that we are taking care of. Please, kana mwakusirwa sata my brother, my sister who is watching me there, ukumbona, you have families, you have so many responsibilities to attend to. Muda akusirwa sekwera akumoyanise unyara wambolese sore no sawa likumena ndwela niyo tsirano habo umalombolo sawa apili musatu onyo tsirano ta bayiniyo tsirano awo for God's sake kawo uhurambisa paisography yore ulihurambisa body mass uhurambisa bulldozer uhurambisa completing squares uhurambisa elimination method ulihurambisa pa ngoni uhurambisa china biological control predator prey system urambisa shina what's the unyana wambole sesori kamazima kamene ori kemwitse muluzungu or please at 10 we want all of you to be at the venue where the meeting is going to take place. Arifo wamala wetsa sawa liku mori we told you the meeting was supposed to be at 10. We beat 10. Who can translate for these fools? Araba mesa atine arinye mwitsa likumi. Why can umundu wa ya bibindu bino abanyara wa babusa direct? For example, wabone ili kumoyana hukuniyo huola wati yomusolera ali kukwano muhano mu miliyo busaro muhana wireyewo wirekere muhana wirekere bula ibwene wamuweye pass nge pass ali ni huchira busa mukatimba bamwe video husani umusolera atadi hambo wabula covid yo balebe kimya hakibili kuli mu lockdown bana binanu bana bayisakira angu bale ne fulana yabere yetsawo yamara yako sasa ari kubyale bintu ifulana yako wati hukwano mukasi lukana mulini muloji munyumize ibintu bihambala ari muvyo straight humulobusa straight wari musoro why arifani kana inambise habesemu namwe kurambiseka bupira hushinga bulamu straight amanyari uliho hukana straight ubango mugana wirekere so basungu bano bahuramo humoyana hoho hubirale ngulhukana huba hoshota bulaho. How can you, for God's sake, uhunomori shigambo knowledge shitandi hanike? People, we have so many things to attend to. Stop fooling us. Ashitege roma saba. Hekwiki saba anabefe roma saba. Rulini mo wikola horanata. For example, momuduri ori ngukana. Ngukana. Chitandi hani. Ngu. Naga. Ngu. Mbamo kibuzabuza ta. Muhotso. Ma wajitegerere ili bino byehutsa muchachi nenire kuswaze swali luna kulona swalira muchachi umasaba umusubali kulomari ari limwe kuleshi tabo sha samusi pale benabi kule bible na meno natsieno nakobolera nako inyima samusi mbamo tawe nandi mba manyisire Samuelo niwe bila nimwe bahuloma Samusoni nyima paka omulirwana busawa ari no ari bali herera bali huloma bali shino ari bazalo ba Izabuli izalo ndi baya era kwa wandizana omulirwana ndi banomele Samuzi bali huloma pusamuta ili bahuloma pusamuta waloma Samuzi Samuzi ari taba huloma shino ari how for God's sake Samuzi tadi NP why do you waste resources people hulimu we are living in the era of scarcity. We are living in the era of scarcity. Hekuyime bubundu buno bosa na bwemo wasting these resources that you wasted. We compile them together. Hubenga ufunameshindu. Which is on Samuels. We need it. We can use it somewhere else. Na knowledge, that K we wasted in the word knowledge. There is even a D in knowledge. Umbolo shigambe so much knowledge. It is supposed to start with N. Then Shamalisa ni GE knowledge. And in fact GI.